you go. Good, let's just go the other way. Good, just keep your hand very light. But lots of leg. See how long you can make him. Make his body grow the long way. See how long you can make him. Does he have any lateral work or counter canter or anything like that? Have they not gone there? We've not gone there.
I've done all the lateral work with him, like he'll move off the leg, like he'll do all that stuff. I haven't done any counter canter with him. I don't think I do.
Oh, that's good.
Good, Ivy, let him walk a minute.
I'm sure if you keep them on the outside edge, they'll stay in count.